Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is Friday, September 18, 2015. Thank you all for tuning in. What you're going to see here is the S&P 500 E-mini futures contract is trading lower by 21.5 points. Now, I just want to point out that this is the U contract, the September contract. It will expire today. The new contract will be the Z contract. So traders can also go over and look at the ESZ 2015, and you can see you're getting the same exact move there. So it really doesn't matter. Markets are lower across the board. Today is a Friday. In 2014, we could say that almost every Friday was a buying opportunity. In 2015, we could say that almost every Friday is a selling opportunity. So again, be very, very careful out here. Who wants to hold stocks over the weekend? That's what it comes down to. You have the European markets down pretty sharply at the moment. Right now you have the German DAX down about 2.75%. This is ugly, ugly, ugly out here today, and we'll see where it goes. Yesterday we did have the all-important Federal Reserve announcement, and it looks like the Fed kept things unchanged, but talked about potentially hiking rates in October, but at this stage of the game with the market falling, who knows where it's going to go. We'll see, and we'll trade it accordingly. That's why we use charts. Alright, let's talk about a couple of other things here. We got a lot of stocks out here in the news. First one I'm going to start off with is Adobe. ADBE is the ticker symbol. Stock is trading at 78.15, closed at 80.31. I don't really have a good solid level for Adobe until we get down to around $73.85. If the stock gets down there, I love it. If it doesn't get down there, you'll hit a little bit of short-term support around 75 bucks, but it can go lower. Adobe is not selling off in a huge way, but it is down, a couple points here, so we want to respect that. But again, like I said, the only level I'm seeing that I even really like would be around 73.85 if it did get down there. Until then, not much I'm going to do with it right now, but I will be watching it once the opening bell rings. If you have not done so, come on over, take a 7-day free trial to our intraday stock chat. We had another great day yesterday. Come on over, take a 7-day free trial, try it out, see what it's all about. You get to trade right alongside of us. These turbulent markets are not easy, and again, we've been navigating through them in a dynamic fashion throughout 2015. We're going to look to keep that going. Alright, let's take a look at the next one up here is AK Steel. It looks like they came out and said that they're going to lose less money. Stock is popping on the news. Closed at $2.81, trading at $3.07. I really can't make much out of it. It looks like you have a ton of resistance at $3.35. If by some chance it is able to get up there, that would most likely be a shorting opportunity. Let's take a look at some of these European banks. We're going to take a look at Deutsche Bank. Stock is trading sharply lower. I don't even have a good level for you here. Watch the $27.90 level, $27.75. A little bit of short-term support there, but I think we could get down there today. ING is lower. Also, Credit Suisse also trading lower. So you got all the leading European stocks. European bank stocks are lower today. Let's take a look at Texas Instruments. I think they raised their dividend. They're also going to do a share buyback. Stock closed at $48.15. It is now trading at $48.25. Had a pop, I guess, initially. Now it's pretty much back to the unchanged line. There's still a fair amount of support down here around the $47 level. But again, be very, very careful in these markets no matter what stocks are telling you. If the major indexes like the Russell and the NASDAQ and the S&P and the Dow go down, everything will follow. All right, let's take a look at LQ, which is La Quinta. This is pretty much a new issue, I believe. Stock is making new lows. So I think it debuted in May, and the low price was $16.65. It is now trading at $15.97. So again, there's no level here. We just don't have enough data on the chart. If you take a look at the daily chart, or just rather a monthly chart, you'll see that this is a new issue and we are making new lows. So there's not much we could do with this one, but this is something I will look at once the opening bell rings on an intraday basis. I want to talk about Freeport-McMoRan because it looks like they sold $1 billion worth of stock to raise $1 billion. Stock right now is getting hit pretty sharply. Closed at $12.05, trading at $11.29 at the moment. So Freeport-McMoRan taking a hit today on $1 billion stock sale at the market. So Again, they needed to raise capital. They raised $1 billion, but they sold money at the market. They sold stock at the market, rather. All right, we're looking at some real good strength today in the gold mining sector. Gold is up, I believe, 21 points. So this is a great move on GLD. Trading at 109.12. Gold futures up 21, trading at 11.38. So good pop in gold. Gold mining stocks look to be doing pretty well today. You see the GDX trading at 14.57. A lot of the leading gold mining stocks are all higher to start today. One I like to always look at is Newmont Mining. See, that's trading at 17.53. A lot of people like ABX, which is Barrick Gold. That's trading at 6.94. So we're getting little pops in gold mining stocks, and gold is sharply higher today. We'll see how that plays out. Now on the other end here, crude oil is really taking a hit, down $1.21 right now to $45.97 a barrel. Take a look at the USO here. That is trading at 14.86. It closed at 15.23. So that's a pretty good drop in crude. So crude oil, everything crude related, is falling today and coming under pressure. So that's what we're seeing. That's where we stand. Right now, futures are down 18.5 points. They've actually come back a little bit off of the morning lows. For whatever reason, my chart's not popping up there. But that is the case. Futures are trading down about 18 points at the moment to 16.69 per contract. We're going to leave it here short and sweet. Want to wish everybody a great weekend, great Friday. Again, come on over, take that 7-day free trial. You'll see everything that we're doing. We got volatility. We should get some morning trading action, and that's what it's all about. With that being said, everybody have a great trading day, and we will see you on the charts.